what do you think? Why do you think so few people take advantage of the program? I mean, Heidi, because they don't know about it?
Yeah, they don't know about it, and a few people know about it. And when they come to the site, believe me, they ask about the earned income tax credit, because every year a lot more people start knowing about the earned income tax credit, and they try to make sure you put that in their taxes.
Diane, what would you do as somebody new to this program? How would you educate people if they waved the magic wand over you and said, "Here, Diane, tell us how we could educate these people on the earned income tax credit"?
Educate the
taxpayer? The taxpayer, right? How would you, commercials or
Well, you know, I saw it in the paper yesterday or today. They were talking about it. You know, if people are working and they're having any money withheld at all, they should definitely do their taxes. I think some people just figure, oh, they only withheld $25, I'm not going to bother filing a tax return. The service is free, and if they have earned income, they could be eligible for this tax credit, which there's no reason not to file a tax return.
Right. And we've been talking about the program for a few years. Do you see more people now, Heidi, in your 6 years that are aware of the earned income tax credit than we were, say, when you and I first did the show?
Yes, because a lot more people come to the site because now they know about the site, so they know more about the credits, and besides the income tax credit, or the credits that the IRS is providing, like the child tax credit, dependent care credit, a lot more credits besides the earned income tax credit.
Besides the earned income tax credit, Denise, what other programs of the IRS help educate our taxpayers on how they can get money back from your mean agency?
As Heidi had said, we do a lot of promotions with local community agencies. We have coalitions we set up, and we talk about the child dependent care credit, child tax credit. We also promote senior credits available to senior citizens. We also promote disability initiatives within communities. One thing we're promoting right now, along with their Vita sites, if you think you don't have to file a tax return, we still ask you to come to a Vita site. Only because now, I don't know if people are aware of the telephone refund tax credit, where people can get a refund if they paid a long distance telephone bill from February 28, 2003 to August 1st, 2006.
But I also read an article where the IRS is really double checking that you're asking for an audit if you put that in.
We are we're not asking. You're not asking for an audit.
I'm not putting that in my tax return, I can tell you
that. You're not asking for an audit, but we are checking because many people might be trying to take more than what they are eligible for.
Oh, see?
But it is a standard. Depending upon your tax return, one exemption $30, two exemptions $40, three exemptions $50, four exemptions $60. It's a standard amount that people can receive. If they have their receipts, then they can bring that as well. But we'll see a pay professional.
I'm not doing that for $30, I can tell you right now.
But those who don't have to file, they may file and just get the money if they're due the credit back.
Are you seeing that, Diane? Or?
Well, the telephone tax, this is a one-year deal. So there's no reason, if people have had a phone and have had long distance service, there's no reason not to take it. You should take it.
I should, yeah, but they're going to audit me for the $30. So, I mean, everybody probably qualifies for it, right?
It is a very vast qualification. Many people do qualify. The only person who would not is one, they did not pay their own long distance phone bill, such as dependents or things of that nature. But yes, everyone qualifies. The only thing that we ask is that you find out whether or not you do qualify and get the credit. Get the refund. It's yours. It's only 1 year. This is the year.
Real quick, Diane, would you recommend people to do this?
I would. I would. I think it's been a great experience. You meet nice people, and the reward is people really being happy that you've done their return for them.
And Heidi, if people want to volunteer, they call 820-4124, or is there other numbers?
908-820-4020.
4020 as well.
That's the Public Information Center.
And were able to get your friends to come back again this year, Heidi?
Yes.
You are?
Yes. My coworker always come back.
Your coworker.
Yes.
Well, I want to thank all of you for taking the time to join us on the show this evening. And on behalf of all of our citizens, thank you for your volunteer efforts, and Denise for spearheading this program for the 7th year that I've been really actively involved in it. We appreciate all your efforts.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. For Denise Perry and Heidi Caceres and Diane Sawicki, I'm Chris Bolwage. We'll see you next week on another edition of Our City.